Desarrollo administrativo e innovación. Aprendido de Joana Torres Calderín. Video presentación. Good morning. My name is Wendy Torres Calderín. I am 23 years old. I am Colombian. I live in the city of Medellin and I work at the company Lily Pink as a sales advisor. I love watching movies and series with my family in my free time, and I do not like taking long trips or waking up early on weekends. I love spending time with my family, my daughter, and my husband, and I do not like bake for hours from them. I always wake up at 6 sharp. I usually prepare my breakfast and lunch, take my daughter to daycare, and go to work at 10 sharp. I always have lunch at work and carry my husband after lunch. I work at day until 7 at night, and I almost never go to the gym. I frequently have dinner with my family, and sometimes I watch movies. I normally go to sleep at 11 p.m. Thank you.